model, 65-plate Renault Trafic Sport SL27 dCi 115 starts runs needs turbo replacing no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 109,000. Engine, 1598 ccr9m 115 E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs but underpowered, the turbo has collapsed and is not spinning, straightforward turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,995 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.